Hey, it's Heidi. Come with me to attend an event, the Absidy X Jelly Masterclass.
Hi guys! Nice to meet you guys! Sabi na pagod ako, 3 hours lang yung tulog ko. Ang ganda ni Miss Heidi. Mas maganda siya guys. Kung ano yung mga transition niya online, like, display niya talaga. Niloloko na ako. So we're trying the photo booth. Aside from the PR, we'll be getting additional items from Absidy. They're so generous. Oh my look. Sobrang dami binigay ni Absidy. I'm with Lush. We're now entering the makeup room. I don't know. Nahanap ko yung seat ko. Where ako?
Front row po.
Isa front row daw. Ano ka ba? 15? Ang dami kong gamit. Almost seatmating pala kami. Saan ka ba? Hindi ko na pala napakita pero meron sila mga snack bar kanina sa labas. Hindi na ako nag-snack kasi busog na ako. I think kailangan ko prepare yung gamit ko kasi mamaya sobrang dami na namin. Baka mga rag ako.
Hello po, my name is Queen Isabel. So I tried the powder foundation.
Trends to beauty, skincare.
Hello! Yes, nakakakaba naman yung lineup sa harapan. Pwede bang sa likod kayo? Sorry, I don't think you've seen one like this. A very hydrating na powder foundation. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. So, I think I don't like claiming big stuff.
So this is light fresh 20, light medium 25.
City, and of course,
Yun ang super white shot sa anti-year of the more on the primer.
What tissue?
Really work.
Heidi. I forgot your name.
Under eye. Ito yung unang blended. 2 steps pa lang tayo. Guys, understand? Bawasan nyo pa. Parang ganun. So, do actually kahit nag-liquid foundation. Minsan mo, gamayin nyo kung kailan. So, yung isang medyo mas stayed with powder from 2.
Okay naman po. Na under eye nyo?
Baba, medyo droopy naman yung effect. Kaya nga, space in pagkapo. Instead of... Okay, hindi nyo kami maluloko na parang, hindi yung face ko. Shade. Ganda nito. Then just here, kasi alam ko naman sa inyo na walang nakikinig kung paano ilagay yung blush. Kasi kanya-kanya softer.